Yeah, right, people, welcome back to the channel again, or welcome to the channel. I don't know if you've been here before, but recently, or a bit recently, I did a video testing LED headlight bulbs. So now, instead, what I want to do is I'm going to test some of these, well, 100 watt, 80 watt ones instead, just Halogen bulbs. So we're going to put them in and we're going to compare them to the original ones and see if they're any good. Back in the Citroen, same test car. So let's throw them in first and then we'll wait for it to go dark and drive around and shine them at shit. So let's see. Bulbs, hang on. Yes, just drop one, sick. Use scratch cards that I didn't win on because I never win at anything. I've got bulbs down here under my seat. It's alright, it's under warranty. Right, so the bulb is an H4, 80-100 watt. And I got these from Mass Car Spares. Big up, bruv, Mass Car Spares in Shaw. So, stupid tag on them, I can't get fucking things out. Right. And to look at it, it just looks like a normal bulb. But let's put it in. Right, so I'm going to throw one in. I've already done this once and shown how to fit a bulb on one of these ones, but I'm putting other bulbs in, so I might as well show it again. That's my LED indicators and daylight running lights, also seen in other videos. And if anyone's wondering why they're in this position, it's because the bonnet holds them on, because they don't stick. Right, let's first you've got to unplug it. Makes sense, unplugged, and then set this off, right, and see if I can get this. That's how you take it off. Then you just pull it out, and then if you look at that, now they do look a little bit different, but not a whole lot different. So let's put this one in. So this one is the top. And it locates nicely. And then, let's see if I can film that. Clipped in. Right, and put the cover back on. So this goes back on where it came off, and then the plug goes back on where it came off. And if you see this here, I mean, this is just asking for a fire. I mean, I'm putting higher wattage bulbs in when the wiring's all fucked anyway. And it goes across to the other side. Proper cock job. So a quick comparison to start with. That one's turned on. And that one's turned on. Hard to say because it's daytime. I don't think we'll really see the huge benefits until it's dark. They don't seem to be getting hot yet. Nothing's smoking yet. Switch hasn't burnt out. It really hasn't burnt out yet. So we'll just I'll put the other one in and then we'll see what they're like at night. And we'll go from there. I mean, we'll probably put these on and start the engine, and it'll alternator will stop the engine from turning, which is also be quite sick. We'll lose about 10 horsepower, which we haven't got to start with. But yeah, let's put the other one in and then see how they are. Right, so where we are, we're back in the same lovely car park that I tested the LED shitters in. So we're going to test these. It's got the 100 watt, well, 80-100 watt in at the moment. So this is the this is what this is like. Right, so the right hand side one is the original 55, 60 watt, whatever it is. Passenger side is an 80-90. And you know what, it doesn't show up that well, but when you look at it in real life, it does look brighter, like noticeably brighter. But on the phone screen, it doesn't seem to show up that well. So anyway, I'm going to put them both in, the old ones, take it for a lap of the car park, you know, bad boy style, and then we'll compare the footages. Right, so these are the 55 watt bulbs. And I'll park it in the same place, put it on main beam, and that is what we get. So I'll park it with the 100 watt ones here, and I'll do the same test. But before that, let's turn the car around. This is on main beam now. Main beam, dip beam. Right, back to hundreds. Right, so now we're on the bigger bulbs, and we're parked in the same place as before. And that is main beam, that is dip beam, and I think that is quite apparent that they are brighter. So I have bought bigger bulbs in the past, try the same thing, but they were from eBay, and when I tested them to see what amps they were pulling, they were just normal bulbs with 100 watt written on them, and they were no brighter. But no, these ones are genuine, so thanks to Mass Car Spurs, because they've sold some decent bulbs. So that is the end of the video. Power. And I thought I'd also add that, surprisingly enough, these are actually still working, which, I mean, judging by the quality of them, and I mean, I didn't exactly fit them in an appropriate manner, that surprises me. So let's see how long they last. And, as always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because this video is obviously really good. I mean, it's a bit boring compared to normal, because I actually sort of found something out rather than just fucking about. But yeah, give it a like anyway. I mean, subscribe if you're that way inclined. That'd always be appreciated. But peace out, bruv.